Salesforce Field Service helps manufacturers by giving scheduling and productivity tools to let them do more with less. Now you can deliver personalized support across email, phone, chat, and SMS, letting customers easily reach out when they need help. When a case is opened, agents have a complete view of information they need about each case, customer, and product. While streamlined workflows and approvals in the Service Console customize processes with intelligently recommended next best actions for increased agent productivity. Then, create work orders and optimize job scheduling to dispatch technicians with the right skill set, inventory, and availability in one click. Once dispatched, technicians have all the info they need with the mobile app, like directions to the job site, customer contact information, service history, detailed work order line items with steps to complete the job on the first visit, and intelligently surfaced knowledge articles to give great service at each customer interaction. Then, key info like inventory tracking is shared to make sure they have the right parts. And remote assistance lets mobile technicians provide help even when they aren't face-to-face with customers. Once finished, technicians can close the case and make sure their work is accounted for, all from their mobile device. While analytics tools lets you see technician productivity, service profitability, SLA compliance, and first-time fixed rates to hit performance goals and keep customers happy. See how to help manufacturers do more with less with Salesforce.